The Ninja Classic is the world's #1 CSA-approved portable extractor. With multiple options for vac motors to pumps, it's no wonder that the ESTEAM Ninja Classic is the #1 portable extractor that all professional carpet cleaners want. With two options for diaphragm pumps at 150 and 200 PSI, 200-degree heat option, and 2 or 3-stage vac motor choices, the Ninja Classic can tackle any job with just the flick of a few buttons. You'll be cleaning professionally in no time. Your Ninja comes standard with many great features, like a swivel lid for those confined areas, 10-gallon freshwater and recovery tank, a 1.5-inch dump valve for ease of emptying, quick connects for your solution lines, 4-inch swivel caster front wheels, and large 8-inch non-marking rear wheels for ease of maneuverability. With a large built-in rear and 2 front-mounted handles, it's easy to move your machine up and down stairs and into your vehicle. Only 3 switches to press to begin cleaning, 2 for your vac motors and 1 for your solution pump. All this in a rotomolded housing for durability. To start using your machine, connect your vac hose to the machine lid. Connect your solution hose to the quick connect port. Connect the other end of your vacuum hose to your wand. Connect your solution hose to your wand. Fill your fresh water tank with fresh, clean, warm to hot water, then add your detergents or rinsing agent to your water. If your machine comes with heat, switch on your heat switch. Switch your vac motor buttons to the on position. Switch the pump button to the on position. You are now ready to clean. Once your machine is full or you have finished cleaning, to empty your Ninja, turn off the pump switch. Turn off both vac motor switches. If your machine has heat option, turn off the heat switch. To empty your machine, disconnect your solution hose. Attach the 45-degree elbow to your dump valve and place a pail underneath the dump valve. To empty, simply pull the lever up on the dump valve. Once the recovery tank is empty, take off the vac hose, twist the recovery lid 90 degrees left or right and lift up. Pour in fresh, clean water into the recovery tank to rinse it out, making sure to have a pail underneath the dump valve to catch the exiting water. Once the recovery tank is clean, simply close the valve on the dump valve. Lastly, place your recovery lid on your recovery tank 90 degrees to center and twist. The Ninja Classic, the professional carpet cleaning portable extractor.